Right then, Keelan. The clue is the fact that it's telling you that it's a parallelogram. Okay, if it's a parallelogram, no matter where it's drawn, that side and that side must be parallel, and that side must be parallel. Now, in order for that to happen, the displacement, the distance that you have to travel horizontally and then vertically, for that to go from there to there is the same as to go from there to there. So because they give you 3 of the 4 points, you're able to work out what that movement is and then work out what the gap is. So on your particular one, you've got A, B, C and D. Now it doesn't matter where you start, if that's A or that's A or that's A or that's A, but then you keep going in the same direction. So if that's A, that would be B, that would be C, and that would be D. Okay, so you don't even have to accurately plot this. So yours are A is 2, 3, B is 3, 5, C is 2, 2, and then D you don't know. So like I said, I haven't plotted that on an axis or anything. So in order to go from B to C, I've got to go from 3 to 2, so I'm going -1 in that direction, and then in this direction I'm going from 5 to 2, so I'm going -3. So that means that in order to go from A to D, I've got to go 2 and then -1, which is 1, and then 3 to and then down 3, which means I end up at 0. So I reckon that D has got the coordinates 1, 0. Now you told me it was 2, 4, so I'm not sure whether you made that up or not. But let me just check what I've said there. So A is 2, 3, B is 3, 5, C is 2, 2, and D is AB. And they form a parallelogram, which means they're going to be parallel. So to go from B to C, you're going from 3 to 2, so you're going down 1, and then you're going from 5 to 2, which means you're going down 3. So to go from A to D, you've got to go down 1 to 1, down 3 to 0. See if 1, 0 is the right answer. If it is, that's what you got to do. If it isn't, then I'll have to think about it again. Let me know.